Hello everyone, welcome back to Art Life. Thank you for your support. Today we will creating a cactus doodle art using just a pen. It's a fun and creative activity. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. I have already drawn the basic outline of the cactus with a pencil. Now draw a outline of the cactus shape. You can experiment with different shapes and sizes to make it unique. Draw a pot at the base of the cactus or create a simple background to complement your cactus doodle. Remember one thing, doodle art is all about creativity and freedom. So feel free to add your personal touch and have fun with the process. Once you are satisfied with the overall design, go over the lines and add any extra details you would like. Draw the arms or spikes of the cactus. You can make them long or short, curved or straight depending on your style. Add some texture to the cactus to give it a more realistic look. And this is the final look.
Thanks for watching.